We pride ourselves at Rasmussen College for many things. The extensiveness of our student support is one of them. The Learning Services team is especially proud of our team of tutors. You can access tutoring through the student portal or through the resources link in your online classes. The easiest access is through the resources link. Locate and click on the resources link in your online course platform. Look for the tutoring platform link and select it. There are two options for tutoring: live tutoring and tutor match. Let's talk about live tutoring first. Live tutoring is staffed by professional tutors and can offer additional support in your courses. Select the topic you want from the drop-down menu. Next, select the subject you want from the drop-down menu. Once you have made your selections, click on the tutoring schedule to see if a tutor is available. If a tutor is available, click Connect. If a tutor is not available, simply log in during the times listed in the tutoring calendar and click Connect. No appointments are necessary with live tutoring. Another tutoring resource we have available to you is Tutor Match. Tutor Match is a way for you to make appointments to meet with a Rasmussen tutor either online or on campus. In order to see what appointments are available, you will need to select your topic and subject from the drop-down menu. Once the correct choices have been made, click Schedule to see available appointments. Before going any further, be sure to double-check that your time zone is listed correctly on the screen. If it is not, you will need to change it. The appointments shown on this screen are online. If you would like to meet with a tutor on campus, you can choose this by clicking on the drop-down menu listed next to Preferred Modality. Next, select your campus. If you select on campus and do not see any appointments available, this means that on-campus tutoring is not available for the desired subject and you will need to reselect online. You can click on the desired day for the appointment to explore the different times available for appointments. When you are ready to book an appointment, click Select next to the desired appointment time. This will bring you to a page where you will need to input your telephone number and any notes for the tutor. The more details you can provide for the tutor, the more effective the tutoring session will be. If you would like a text reminder for the appointment, make sure to select Allow SMS Reminder. Once you have input your telephone number and any notes, click Confirm. This will generate and send a confirmation email to the tutor. When it is time for your appointment, log back into the online tutoring platform, click on your name, and select My Calendar. Click Enter to join the session. For help with this topic and more, check out our Answers database where you can search our frequently asked questions or chat with a Rasmussen librarian.